And India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been conferred the highest national honor of Dominica. Those visuals coming in from Guyana, the Dominica Award of Honor. President of Dominica, Sylvanie Burton, conferred the award during the ongoing India CARICOM summit in Georgetown, Guyana. Those visuals came in just a short while ago from Guyana. A certificate and a medal of honor, Dominica's highest national honor for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, being conferred by the President of Dominica. Guyana, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi a short while ago has been honored with Dominica's highest national honor, been conferred on Prime Minister Modi. The award is being conferred by the President of Dominica. Adds to a number of national honors that have been conferred on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Guyana has also announced that it will present the Order of Excellence on Prime Minister Modi. These visuals, of course, of Dominica's President honoring Prime Minister with the highest national honor. Dominica announced to confer its national honor on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. According to the statement that came in earlier, Dominica acknowledges that India supplied some 70,000 doses of COVID pandemic vaccine during the COVID pandemic in February. The support during the critical time was much appreciated by Dominica, and this honor comes in the same line. Prime Minister Narendra Modi being honored by the highest national honor of Dominica, being honored by the President of the country herself. Those visuals came in from Guyana, where the India CARICOM summit has been on. There are different areas of development, engagements that have been taken forward. Prime Minister, in fact, gave a new turn to the abbreviation of CARICOM, talking about from capacity building to cricket to cooperation in health and medicine. Meanwhile, on the sidelines of the CARICOM India summit, Prime Minister is also being honored by unique honors from Dominica. Those visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi being honored in Guyana. The honor that the visuals that we were looking at were of Guyana President honoring Prime Minister.
बल्कि भारत के 140 करोड़ लोगों का, उनके पुरुषार्थ का, उनके संस्कार का, उनकी परंपरा का यह सम्मान है। दो डेमोक्रेसीज हैं, साथ साथ हम दोनों पूरे विश्व के लिए महिला सशक्तिकरण के भी रोल मॉडल है। यह गहरे संतोष का विषय रहा है कि हम कोविड जैसी आपदा के समय डोमिनिका के लोगों की सहायता कर सके।
Those are Prime Minister's remarks after receiving the highest national order from Dominica. Those visuals that came in a short while ago, Prime Minister received a medal and a certificate. This was the highest honor, national honor of Dominica, being conferred by the President of the nation. Prime Minister is in Guyana in the third leg of his three-nation visit, first to Nigeria, then to Brazil, and now to Guyana. In Guyana, he attended the India CARICOM Leaders Summit. In that, he also talked about the manner in which the engagement and cooperation between India and the Caribbean nation is going to be taken forward. On the sidelines, Prime Minister is also being honored by Guyana, by Dominica and other nations. Guyana also announced the highest national honor is being bestowed on Prime Minister. The visuals that came in just a short while ago from Guyana, President of Dominica bestowing the highest national honor on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister, in his address, in his remarks after receiving the honor, says that the honor belongs to 140 crore Indians, and the close cooperation that the two democracies, India and Dominica, witnessed during the time of pandemic is an important one. He also said that India was happy to provide all the necessary help during the pandemic to partner countries, particularly in the global south. It is to be noted some 70,000 COVID vaccines during the critical period were provided by India to Dominica in particular. In recognition of such engagements and efforts, we saw the highest honor of Dominica being bestowed on Prime Minister Narendra Modi.